Hi. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about the balance sheet. So many times small business owners ask me, hey, I'm earning a lot of accounting profit, so where'd all the cash go? Why don't I have that cash available for me in my bank account? So today we're going to look at Widgets R Us, the same data that we looked at in the previous video, and see if we can find an answer for Widgets R Us, because they have that same question. We see over here in 2024 they earned $30,000 in net income, and yet their cash went down by $6,000. So where'd that cash go? Well, the first step is that we have to understand that the net income doesn't always represent real cash flow. So in order to get to a better indicator of cash flow, we need the operating cash flow. So we will add back some of those deductions that we took that weren't really cash items. So we have our net income of $30,000, and then we're going to add back depreciation, which was $8,000, and amortization, which was $1,000, to get to $39,000, which was our real operating cash flow. Those $9,000 of expenses, they were related to cash expenditures from a while ago when we bought that equipment. We're just taking the deduction now. So really, don't just have $30,000. You have $39,000 of operating cash flow that was really available. So why is it in our bank account? Well, maybe he took all of the money out. Maybe Widgets R Us took all the money out. So over here, if we look at distributions, no distribution in 2024. So maybe Widgets R Us paid down all their debt. Well, if we go up to debt, we see that there was $11,500 of extra debt that they took on. So they actually have even more than $39,000. They were taking money from the bank as well for their business. So where'd the money go? Well, if we look at the equipment, they paid $7,000 for additional equipment. So that's part of the answer. But the biggest answer is their working capital. So we see accounts receivable went up by $18,000. So that means that they sold some of the inventory and they've recorded it as a sale. It's in the net income. They haven't received the cash yet. So it reduces this operating cash flow. And then inventory was up by $31,500. So that's inventory that they've paid the cash for, and it's they haven't sold it yet. It's sitting there with them. They've invested the cash into that inventory. So when it comes to Widgets R Us and their cash flow, they need to figure out how to fix this working capital problem in order for them to really start seeing the benefits in their bank account.